Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're reviewing a product that takes your at-home pedicure experience to a whole new level, the ForPro 5-piece Pedi Kit. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for disposable, hygienic tools for your salon, this kit might just be what you're looking for. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. The ForPro 5-piece Pedi Kit is designed to provide a convenient and sanitary pedicure solution. Each kit includes 5 essential tools: a 5-inch wood nail file with an 80-100 grit, a 3.5-inch purple pumice pad, an orange mini buffer with an 80-100 grit, a wood stick, and purple toe separators. The set comes in individual packs, making it perfect for on-the-go professionals or those who prefer to keep their tools fresh and sanitary each time. When it comes to pedicure tools, sanitation is a huge priority, and ForPro really hits the mark here. Each item is individually packed, ensuring that no one has to worry about contamination. Whether you're working in a salon, spa, or at home, this disposable approach ensures you're using a fresh set every time. The kit includes everything you need for a thorough pedicure, with each piece offering an efficient, no-frills approach to foot care. Let's talk about the experience. The wood nail file is sturdy and provides a good balance between durability and flexibility. The 80-100 grit on both the nail file and mini buffer is perfect for smoothing out rough edges without being too harsh on the nails or cuticles. It's effective without over-exfoliating, making it ideal for both delicate and tough nails. The pumice pad, which is purple, works wonders for sloughing off dead skin on the feet. It's just the right texture, not too abrasive but still able to do its job. If you have dry, cracked heels, this pad will work its magic to leave them feeling smooth. The mini buffer is compact but efficient. It's great for adding that final polished finish to the nails, giving them a smooth and healthy sheen. And then we have the toe separators. They're a pretty standard addition to any pedicure kit, but these ones stand out for their flexibility and comfort. They do the job without pinching or causing discomfort. I've been using this kit at home for a couple of weeks now, and I can honestly say that it's become my go-to for a no-fuss pedicure. It's easy to incorporate into my routine, and the quality of each tool is impressive for a disposable set. I didn't find any weaknesses in practical application, and I especially appreciate the convenience of having everything packed in individual sets. There's no need to sterilize after each use. You're getting top-notch sanitation with minimal hassle. Now let's talk pros and cons. The biggest pro is definitely the sanitary aspect. Each set is fresh, sealed, and ready to go. It makes this kit perfect for professional environments where hygiene is critical. Another pro is the quality of the tools themselves. The pumice pad and wood nail file are both effective and durable. On the downside, if you're looking for a kit that offers more specialized tools, like cuticle pushers or more advanced buffers, this set is basic. While the tools are great for regular maintenance, they don't provide the intricate care you might find in more comprehensive professional kits. As for value for money, considering the 100-count pack and the high sanitation standards, this kit is priced very reasonably. You're getting reliable, disposable tools that do the job right. Yes, you can find cheaper options out there, but they might not offer the same level of sanitation or professional quality. ForPro's packaging and hygiene standards definitely justify the price. If you're someone who prefers to use multi-tool kits that last longer or offer more specialized equipment, this might not be the best choice. However, for the average consumer or salon professional needing a reliable, disposable pedicure set, ForPro is a solid option. The build quality of the tools is pretty standard. Wooden nail files and sticks, along with pumice and buffers that hold up well during use. I would expect these tools to last through a single use, which is perfect for salons where hygiene is a top priority. The packaging is well designed to keep everything neat, fresh, and ready for immediate use. To wrap things up, this kit really lives up to its promises of providing a hygienic, efficient, and easy-to-use pedicure set. If you're a beauty professional or someone who likes to maintain smooth feet without a lot of fuss, this product will meet your needs perfectly. However, if you need a more extensive pedicure experience, you might want to look for something with additional tools. Is this review helpful to you? If so, Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the product link in the description or comments. If you've used this kit, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.